This is a bit of a romantic story about my biggest dream, which became reality. In high school, I met a boy who was just a friend at first, and after getting to know each other for 6 months, we finally admit we had crushes on each other. He asked me to my formal dance, and everything was going perfectly. And then a few weeks later, he asked to be my boyfriend. I was really happy about this because we had gone through some tough times and arguments, and they showed that he thought the relationship was worth it. At this stage of my life, I still had not heard about the secret, and I did not know the huge effect our thoughts have on what we attract. I was falling for him so much, but I let fear and doubt creep in. Like maybe I'm not perfect enough for him, maybe he will get cold feet. I'm scared that this will become a disaster. Yeah, you can probably guess what happened next. Only a couple of weeks of being officially boyfriend and girlfriend. He starting being more distant, and one day he just said, I'm just not ready for a committed relationship. Heart breaks into 1,000 million pieces. I was one very sad and a depressed girl for months. 1 year went by. I was in my last year of high school and he moved to Australia to work and we lost contact for ages. I start thinking there's a gotta be a way out of this mess. Then I come across the secret. Best thing that ever happened to me. Those last few months of high school were the best ever. I tried surfing, longboarding, went on road trips and festivals, and got really good marks in my exams. It took a lot of self convincing, but I eventually started to believe that he would get in touch with me and that we would be together in perfection. I spent that summer working on loving myself. I got as healthy as possible, practiced gratitude, positive self talk, and whenever I thought about him, I would think, wherever he is, I send him happiness and I let him free. One fine summer day, a little message appeared on Facebook. Hey, sorry I have not been Facebook for ages. How are you? Wow. And so for the next few months with the power of my positive thinking, he moved back to New Zealand, got my cell phone number and started texting me loads. I made sure I stay an independent, strong, happy girl and he definitely noticed and started complimenting me on lot of photos. For his birthday, I sent him a letter and some milkshake lollies, his favorite, and he sent me a postcard. And the best part is the whole time I had been dreaming and dreaming every night of him, cuddling me in bed with his hands around me, and daydreaming of the perfect kiss. Last week he hitchhiked to my city and visited me at my flat, and we hung out and talked for hours. It was exactly like I imagined, but better. We did not sleep at until 7:30 am because we were talking and laughing so much and had the perfect kiss. Now he is back in his city and possibly moving further away, but that's okay with me. Whatever make him happy will make me happy. And I have faith that when the right times come, he will tell me I love you. I daydream every day that we will travel together to exotic places and ride hot air balloons and drive motorbikes. I am such a romantic. He will propose to me in Ireland. Until then, I will keeping being the best me I possibly can. I will work hard, make new friends, try new things, send love to the universe, stay healthy and positive, and follow all my dreams. Thank you.